Innovative College of Professional Studies Private Limited is offering HACCP Food Safety Level 2 course. HACCP, also known as Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, is a system used to standardize food and health safety, ensuring minimal food safety risks. The system analyzes chemical, biological and physical hazards during the process instead of a final inspection after production. HACCP is used primarily in every sector of the food manufacturing and processing industry. What is HACCP and why do we need it? Contaminations, hazards and controls. Prerequisite controls. How to HACCP, the 12 stages. Using HACCP in practice. Quality Supervisor, HACCP Coordinator, Quality Assurance Coordinator, HACCP Food Safety Manager, HACCP or Quality Control Technician, Health and Safety Coordinator. Creating quality assurance programs. Working with production managers to oversee the quality and food safety. Track inventory for chemicals and sanitation supplies. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ Limited will work to become the awarding body of choice for all education and especially in occupational health and safety at all levels. To promote education in every field of life and to support professional education, training, and strong employment skills. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ Limited values guide our actions through our work. Performance. We strive to succeed in all our endeavors and deliver excellence through education. Partnership. We work in collaboration to be innovative and find solutions to shared issues. Be open and honest at all times. Professionalism. We remain objective and professional at all times, acting with integrity in an ethical way, treating everyone with respect. Passion. We are passionate in all endeavors, working and communicating for the benefit of our stakeholders. The qualification is designed to be flexible in its delivery to accommodate part-time and distance learning. The qualification is delivered face-to-face, through lectures, tutorials, seminars, distance, online by approved centers only. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by the center and externally verified by UKQ. The qualifications are criterion referenced, based on the achievement of all the specified learning outcomes. Learners must complete all units and pass the appropriate mark to receive the full diploma award. UKQ will issue certificates to all successful students through the registered centers. It is based on the average percentage mark, APM, or, at the discretion of UKQ, on the basis of your overall profile and performance subject to the minimum requirements. For detailed information, contact us on +9 2336 590 9194 or email at info@icpstudies.com.pk and visit our website www.icpstudies.com.pk.